Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were going to show you how to deassemble an AOC monitor step by step. So let's dive in. So the first step is to unplug it from the power source and the HDMI cable. So here you can see in back side of the AOC monitor. So it has one is a power cable. So you can simply unplug it from the power cable. Because when you unplug it, the HDMI or a VOC, sometimes you get shock. After that, unplug it from the HDMI or a VOC cable. After unplugging the both cables, so your monitor will be free. So now we have to remove the stand of our monitor. So now we bring it to another place to remove its stand. So now the first step is to do, you can remove its stand. So here you can see a button. So when you press this button, his stand will be removed out like this. Okay. After that, remove the stand. So you can simply pull this stand outside. After that, you will see your stand will be removed. And now your monitor is successfully deassembled. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully deassembled the AOC monitor. So if you have any query and need further assistance, feel free to comment on this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.